buds. So we've been out traveling a bit and noticing the dandelions popping up everywhere else, but we were really looking forward to coming home and seeing what our crop was doing. And as you can see, we have many dandelions here, and we wanted to show you how we make our favorite dandelion oatmeal cookies. But since getting home, we've had a lot of rain, so they're a little bit soggy. And you may have noticed, or maybe not, that dandelions actually close up when it's darker at night or when the weather's not quite as sunny. So we kind of only have them partially open, but we were able to collect some petals, and we're still going to show you how to make those cookies. So one of the things that we like about this recipe is how easy it is. It only has 7 ingredients and it whips together pretty quick. So you start with a cup of oil and mix in a cup of honey. Now we have bees, so this works pretty well for us. Sorry, vegans, but if you want to try something else, I'd probably go with maple syrup or double down on dandelions and make a simple syrup with the petals. I think some recipes call it dandelion honey, although obviously it is not from an animal. All right, we'll give that a stir. And then we'll add in our 4 eggs or egg substitute. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Stir it all together nicely. And then add in 2 cups of oatmeal or large flake oats. And 2 cups of flour. So you can use all-purpose, or I've gone half all-purpose and half whole wheat because we can all use a bit more fiber in our lives. And then, of course, the ever-important dandelion petals. And if there's little bits of green in there, that's okay. You mostly want petals, but it's not worth getting too concerned about. And all you simply do is mix it together until you have a dough. The beginnings of a springtime cookie. And now we just drop it by the teaspoon onto our cookie sheet. So I like using this fun little cookie spoon that I got from Lee Valley many years ago. Makes it a little less messy for me. And then into a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 15 minutes. So there you have it, a quick and easy recipe that is great for kicking off the foraging season. I think it is simple and it's a great project you can do with kids, and an excellent gateway cookie for anyone who isn't, quite ready for, for other weeds. This is a good place to start them on. So until next time, show those dandelions some love.